Assignment. Hi! In this video, I'm going to give you 2 assignments for you to write the code. Shall we start? The first assignment is, can you create a function to print the numbers from 1 to 10 using a for loop? How do we do it? Let us create a function first. We know very well now that the function starts with def keyword followed by the name of the function. And here, let us give numbers and a colon and put open and close brackets before the colon. Press enter and with the tab space, write the for loop with the range from 1 to 11 and put colon at the end. Now, press enter and with the tab space, give the print statement to print the value. Now, shall we call the function? Now to call the function, let us press enter and delete the 2 tab spaces and call the function using the function name, numbers and open and close brackets. Save the file and run the code. The numbers from 1 to 10 are printed in order as the output. Yes. The second assignment is, can you create a function to subtract 2 numbers and print the result? How do you do it? Let us create a function first. We should use the word def and give the name of the function, and here let us use it as subtract underscore numbers and put a colon. And again, don't forget to put open and close brackets before colon. Then press enter and with the tab space, create 2 variables. First variable, number 1 and store the value 11. And second variable, number 2 and store the value 9. Then press enter again and write the formula to subtract as result is equal to number 1 minus number 2. And we shall print the result using a print statement. So press enter again and write print open bracket result and close bracket. So let us call the function now. And how do we do it? We would write the name of the function and put open and close brackets, right? Yes. So press enter and delete the tab spaces and write subtract underscore numbers open bracket close bracket. Let us save the file and run the code. The output printed is 2. Submit your assignments soon and I'm waiting to see them all. See you all in the next video with another interesting topic. Be ready. Bye-bye.